Alright, so this is how we make pasta carbonara. So I'm going to be prepping right now. I'm going to make the sauce. And we'll see how it goes. It's very easy, so the kids like it. Everybody likes it. So let's see what you think of it. So what we're going to do is we're going to crack the eggs. And we're only going to do the yolk from 5 of the eggs. And yes, I'm wearing gloves because I hate the feeling of egg on my hands, so don't judge me. Yolk. So we got 2 more eggs to go. I'm sure this is nice and entertaining for you. And go 1 more egg here just for the yolk. We'll just separate. Delicious. Looks like my kids when they were 2 years old with their damn noses. Alright, so this one we're going to do a full egg. Alright. So now we can take off the gloves. No more wimpiness here. We take off the gloves. So now what I like to do is we're going to take some pepper here. I'm a little bit liberal with the pepper. So get our pepper in here. Get a little bit of garlic powder. A little liberal. And we're going to do parsley. Now the parsley, I like to measure that out. So we're going to do 2 teaspoons of dried parsley. You can use fresh parsley if you want to. Alright, so that's all set. Now what we want to do is we want to do some coarse sea salt. Not going to do too much of that because we're going to add it in after. So put that in. Just 2 pinches for now. Now what we're going to do is we're going to whisk this. Break up the yolks and whisk. Alright, so that's nice and whisked. So now what we'll do is we're going to add a couple of teaspoons of olive oil, extra virgin. And now we have heavy cream. So I know a lot of purists will say, oh, don't use heavy cream, it's cheating. You know what? I do what tastes good. Heavy cream adds a lot of body to it and helps with the creaminess in the finished product. So we have a small half pint here. I'm going to use about half of it. Now we're going to whisk all that together. All right, so the next step, so we have 2 cups of grated shredded Parmesan. So what we're going to do, we're going to add about half of that in for now, because we're going to save the rest of it for later. There we go. All right, so we're going to whisk that again. Get that all mixed up. All right. Now this is a meal that anybody can make. It's very easy. It tastes delicious, and I think that you know, if you put the effort into it, get the right ingredients, you can do very well with this. Make a lot of people happy, and even the kids love it. So that's all I have to say about that. So that's the prep for the sauce, and the next video will be the actual carbonara and how it's put together.